Hi, so in this video, we're just going to do 6 workouts for abs. So the 30 seconds each, 10 seconds rest in between while you get ready for the next exercise. And once you've run through that, you then run through it at least 2 more times. So you've done it 3 times in a row and then try and build up. So you run the video 6 times and build up your fitness. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Hi, so for this workout, we're just going to need a couple of dumbbells. You can do this in your bedroom. You don't need a lot of space. This is arms and shoulders with a little bit of abs, of course. So the idea is there's 6 exercises. You do them for 30 seconds each, and then you run the video over again and try and do it at least 3 times and try and make your way up to 6 times. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
1 dumbbell to start. Left hand side and over. Left hand side and over. Working the obliques, working the shoulders and the arms. If you haven't got any dumbbells, you can use a bottle of water. Make sure the core's engaged. Okay, 10 seconds rest, we go the other side. Oh, we've come for a 20-second rest. I don't know how we managed that. Go again. No, let's do that.
Three, 2, 1.
So we've got 10-second rest, and now we do the other side. So keeping core engaged, shoulders relaxed. And take it down the right side, lift it above the left shoulder. Keep going, keep breathing. Nearly there. And come back up to standing. Well done, shoulder roll. Okay, we're going to hold the weight again, this time above the head. Feet together and rotate, polish your halo. Keep the feet together, it also works the abs. Relax the shoulders down away from the ears, keep breathing. One direction. Keep going. Ten seconds rest and we're going the other direction. Keep the feet together.
3, 2, 1.
Don't forget which direction you went in, go the other way. Really polish that halo. Keep breathing. Soft knees. Okay, grab both weights now.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, bring the arms up here. Hold them, push those elbows back. We're going to lift the left arm. Also, right arm even. Keep breathing. Shoulders relaxed. Okay, have a rest. I'm going to change sides.
3, 2, 1.
Bring them back up. This time the left arm moves. Right arm stays static. Keep breathing. Nearly there. Bring it down, arms come down, shoulder roll, back to one weight.
3, 2, 1.
Bring it out in front. We're going to take circles, take it round. Keep breathing. Keep the head and neck in neutral. If you want to make it slightly harder and work the abs, take the feet a narrow stance. Okay, bring the arms down, rest, shoulder roll. We're going to go the other way.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, arms come out, take it the other way. Wide a circle as you can. Soft knees, core engaged. Nearly there. Bring the arms down. Last one, triceps. So standing tall, one weight.
3, 2, 1.
Take the arm above the head, shoulders back. Keep those elbows and upper arms close by the ears. And that's it. Well done. If that's your first go at that workout, press play again. Let's go again. You need to do it at least 3 times and try and build up to doing it 6 times in a row. Good luck. Let me know how you get on. Enjoy.